What's up, my dudes? Welcome back for another spectacular day. Eto na naman, Sunday na naman, bukas Monday na naman, papasok na naman tayo sa trabaho. Today is Sunday mga kaibigan, as I was saying, today is Sunday and dapat rest day pero tayo ay hindi mag-rest. Fuck that shit, do a 10 push-up. Let's fucking do this. Let's fucking do a 10 magnanimous push-up. Meron ba magnanimous na word? Meron ba magnanimous na word? Ikaw, mag-sit-ups ka. Mag-workout tayo. Mag-sit-ups ka. Tutulungan kita mag-sit-up. Maging strong, independent. Papi ka. Hindi ka na pala papi. Dog ka na. Okay? So let's do this. Kailangan mo i-contract dito, ha? Kailangan gamitin mo ang iyong core muscle. Okay? Okay, tuturuan na kita ngayon. Kailangan gagamitin mo yung core muscle mo. Okay? Okay ba? Say yes. 1. Alala na ta. Hindi ka masyadong mabigatan. 2. Kaya pa? 3. Kaya pa? 4. Huwag kang umepal dyan. 5. 6. 7. 8. Kaya pa? 9. Last one. 10. Very good. High five. Ikaw naman. Ikaw. Sit-ups ka din. Higa. Okay. Dito ka. Yan. Okay. Do 10 sit-ups. Alright. Let's do this. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ayan. 5. Lagyan natin intensity. 8. 9. Last one. Huwag kang gumilap. Kaya mo yan. Huwag kang gigib up. 10. Very good. Up here. Okay, bangon ka yan. Bangon. Up. Up na. Yes. Mamaya ka na mag-push up. Patayiga ka na naman. I will do some 10 push-ups. No? Kita niyo mga kaibigan, kahit mga alaga namin dito na pet, bawal pa tamad-tamad. Lahat dito, physically active. 1. Kailangan mabit ko yung 10. Dapat hindi lang 10 magagawa ko. 1,002. 1,003. 4,011. 4,012. 5,000. Fuck that shit, man. 5,000 push-ups. 5,000 push-ups. Today. Oh, sobrang fit na yung feeling ko. Putang na. Fuck that shit, man. Mas masarap talaga mahiga kaysa maggagalaw-galaw dyan ng kung ano-ano, di ba? Dusi. Stop that. Stop. Tangina, ayaw sumunod. So, ngayong araw na ito mga kaibigan, pag-uusapan natin kung paano ba tataas yung views at subscribers ko dito sa YouTube. Kasi sa totoo lang, wala talaga akong alam kung paano ba magiging viral yung magta-twerk din ako dito. Pakita ako ng puwet. Wala pang nanonood na itong vlogs ko. Kung napapanood mo to, men, kahit na hindi tayo magkakilala, pwede ka mag-comment. I-comment mo lang, say yes if napapanood mo to, napanood mo hanggang dito sa point na to. So I've been struggling to have viewers and subscribers for the past 5 years. For the past 5 years mga kaibigan. Before pa mag-pandemic, nagsisimula na ako mag-YouTube. Pero ang subscribers ko is less than 1,000 pa rin. I don't know why. Maybe because I'm not that interesting vlogger. Is that it? Huh? Is that it? Fuck you, man. Is this kind of video not interesting to you? Is this kind of video not interesting to you? Is this kind of video not interesting to you? this kind of video is not interesting to you? ASMR. What are you looking at, bitch? Hindi ko alam kung hanggang kailan magiging ganito yung stats ng aking YouTube channel. Pero, fuck it, man. Try lang tayo, no? Ano? Kung may manonood, go. Kung wala, go pa rin. No, total, gusto ko to eh. Ginusto ko to eh. So, kailangan, panindigan ko to, men. Diba? Kahit na anong mangyari, paninindigan ko to. Hanggat di umuusok tong camera ko, mag-upload ako. Wala akong pakialam kung malibad barang kayo sa mukha ko, men. No? Tangin na sapi nito.